guys, welcome back to my channel. I have a quick Revive essential oils haul and I wanted to share with you. I went to buy my Harmonious Healing because I ran out, and naturally I got a whole box of things. So this is what I got. I already took one of these out, but these are the Revive Swedish dish cloths, and I literally just threw my last one away from last year a couple of weeks ago. They lasted me a whole year. Granted, they were pretty gross and ratty by then, but they do last a long time. This is a 6-pack. I just took one of the candy cane ones out already, but you get 2 of each color, candy canes, sugar, spice, and everything nice, and then a snowflake one, so you get 2. So those are great. I think I've tried just so many of these and not many of them have the right texture. I like them to be pretty flexible, to dry fast. I don't know, I'm just picky about these, and these are the best. So anyways, next I got some more elderberry gummies. These we've been taking and none of us have gotten sick. We are doing, oh my gosh, I already opened it. Lots of things, not just eating these. These aren't miracle gummy, but elderberry is really powerful for this season. Next, this is new and my hands are so bad. They are super dry from October to April, so I have to use hand cream probably 7 times a day or more. So I go through a lot, and using something that much, that's red flag to me, or not red flag to me, but a light bulb, I guess, I don't know, whatever you want to call it, where you need to be using something clean and that's not going to be toxic if you're using something that much. So I'm excited to use this. I have tried it. It's good. It's creamy and it absorbs pretty fast, and then it smells good, but I have smelled this scent before, lavender and sweet vanilla. It's their same scent as their body scrub that I have gotten and shared, and I love that scrub as well, but it smells just like that. It's really sweet and calming. It smells good. Next, also new, I haven't seen this scent before. Maybe I just missed it last year, I'm not sure, but this is Peppermint Swirl hand soap. Not gonna lie, I just was excited for this change because everything I feel like that we get during this time is the Christmas, like the spicy. So I love that they had this. I got the 2-pack. You usually save money by doing that. I'm actually not gonna open these all the way. We are in the process of moving, so these are gonna go right into the new house, so I'm not gonna open these and get them ready, but they come with pumps. This is plastic. I know it kind of looks like amber glass, but it does look nice sitting on the counter, and it comes with your pump. I always love their hand soaps, and I usually refill them, so I'll just get Castile soap once this is all out, if it's still in this season or whatever, because they have these for each season. But anyways, I refill them with a peppermint blend and then Castile soap, and still use the bottles too. And then this is my oil packet. So I got my Harmonious Healing, which if you have not heard of or used this before, it is so amazing for so many different things, but mainly what it helps me with is just keeping my cycle regular and manageable. Everything about it. So it's amazing. I've been using this for years, and if I don't use it even for a few days, I can tell a difference. It's crazy. It has nature's form of progesterone, which is from the wild yam extract, and then it has a blend of essential oils. This is non-negotiable. I have to use that all of the time. And then, I don't know why I got lemon, but I got lemon. Maybe it was on sale or something, or maybe I did run out and then already forgot. My brain is like mush right now with packing and everything going on. Then Cozy Cashmere. I wanted some different scents for diffusing as soon as we moved to really make the new house smell good. So Cozy Cashmere. So this is a blend of benzoin, vanilla, Peru balsam, wood, cinnamon, I don't know what that one is, roasted coconut fruit extract, and then cassia and tonka bean. So a little bit warm, and what is it, Cozy Cashmere? What's that? Ooh, this smells good. It's warm and spicy, but it also has some of those other notes that you can pick up afterwards. It's pretty strong. I'm excited to, Cozy Cashmere is the perfect, I don't know how they name these, but it's always perfect. This is very cozy, spicy. And then Noel, which is a blend of orange, frankincense, balsam, fir, clove, cinnamon, ginger, lime, sage, bay, laurel, octa tea, vanilla, lychee, nutmeg, spearmint. Oh my goodness. And then bitter almond, it says. This is a huge blend. Normally when a blend is that in depth like that, it smells, it's a good one to diffuse or make candles with because it's going, or a room spray. because it's gonna smell like more of like fragrancy instead of, oh, that's this essential oil and this one. It's just a bigger blend, if that makes sense. And it is. It smells so good. Oh, this is nice. I'm gonna make some candles maybe with this one and definitely diffuse. Sometimes I just like to switch it up, and I like burning candles. So we just do clean, usually from Simply Earth, their candle making melty stuff, but this one would make a great one. This smells so good. Then lastly, I just got a refill of dish soap. So we go through these every few months, so I was just restocking on these, and it's a 2-pack. Again, if you buy them in a larger quantity like that, it's usually cheaper, but we really love this. Immunity Boost is their blend that is comparable to Thieves, which just has all those germ fighting oils like eucalyptus, rosemary, clove, and lemon. Does it have cinnamon too? I'm not sure, but that was it. Again, this was the reason for my order. This, if you have not watched any of my hormone videos or cycle videos, I think I just have a video on this oil itself. It's amazing, and it's half the price of the other brand, so that's why I switched, and it works exactly the same. So I just wanted to share this with you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I have a code to save money. It'll be on the screen or down below with a link, and thank you guys for watching. Happy holidays. Bye.